Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to my birthday present show and tell. This is really just a show and tell about my birthday gift, so I guess I'll call this something to the effect of gifts from friends, crafty gifts from friends for my birthday. My birthday was fantastic. Troy took the day off. We hung out, chilled, kept it low key, went out to the Japanese steakhouse to have a nice dinner, and of course I got like 2 days worth of leftovers from that because I get the extra vegetables with mine. It was just a very low key birthday. This weekend we're actually going to go out and do our big formal birthday dinner because his birthday is actually the week after next. So yeah. So as many of you know, I have a lot of friends that I've met since I started my YouTube channel all over the world. And even though I keep telling them, you don't have to send me anything, I still got some amazing birthday gifts. So I did want to take a second to share with you guys what I got crafty wise for my birthday. This is a lot of stuff. And I had to move it because we had a house showing. So it's kind of all clustered up in here. So Becky over at Funny Farm Crochet sent me, there's a couple of yarns she's been holding on for me because I wanted extras for the projects I wanted or literally could never find, like gnome. So she sent me those. But those are kind of just like friend gifts, not really birthday gifts. So she threw in 2 things of Knit Pick sock yarn that she had extras of. I really love that pink, black and white one. It's so pretty. And then, keep all my gifts together here. Bah, who sent them? She also sent me this gorgeous yarn bowl. And as pretty as like the painting and stuff is, I love the fluting around it. It looks like a flower. So thank you, Becky. And then Miss Sandra, which I know you've heard a couple of us mention Miss Sandra. She has been working on, well, my pattern of words is fine. You'll be able to see on that. She's been working on these gorgeous, absolutely stunning snowflakes. So she sent mine along as part of an early birthday gift. And these are going to look gorgeous on my formal tree where I do like the blues and the pinks and stuff like that. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I do not have patience for thread work to save my life. I can't see it. I mess it up. I'm not good at it. And then she sent me otter Kleenex, which are so good. Look at them. They even have their little hands on their tumbles. And then, I forgot the website she said she got these off of. It's a stationery store. But how cute. And then these have been sitting in this cake a twister. It's so pretty. Like I said, I love color. And that just looks like a fall time fiesta to me. Just saying. Just saying. As I like wiggle everything around and so the next one, I did not bring up any of the birthday cards. So if you sent me a birthday card, there were a number of people who just sent me birthday cards, which I very much appreciate. I got a couple sets of stitch markers in the mail. Those are actually downstairs in a drawer already because we had a house showing yesterday, so I did have to move those. So I did forget to bring those up, but thank you very much for all of your cards and well wishes. I had them originally like set out in the kitchen so I could look at them and see how pretty they are and think about them, but life gets in the way of our best laid plans, I suppose. So Mary over at Mary's Crochet Chit Chat sent me, I finally got my Ireland stitch marker. And I got these two beauties. Oh, even in the bag, this smells so good. I got these two. It's like summer sunset. I need to find like something that I can call like a tequila sunrise shawl or something like that. Pattern. Oh, sorry. There were 3 of the blues. My bad. 3 of the blues. I got my package of wine gums. I have been dying to get my hands on some fresh wine gums, not the stale ones I get half the time here. Once that package gets open, I guarantee you they're going to be gone in about like 18 minutes. I get some of the McCoy steak chips. Now, they are meant to be shared with Troy. They're not just for me. And then the cheddar onion, which are delicious. Can I just say, like, you might not necessarily like the flavor of UK chips. I mean, there are weird things like prawn cocktail, which I happen to like. But the seasoning on their chips, so much better than ours. Then she sent me butterbeer and gillyweed marshmallows, which I'm very excited to finally get to crack in on those. Oh, there are 2 crunchy bars downstairs. This is a shawl pin where the charms are attached, but you can easily remove them to use them as stitch markers. I will be leaving them on here and using them as a shawl pin. But any of you Potterheads will get a lot of the references in here. Oh, come on. Focus. Look at how cute that is. Ah. And see, I'm working on an asymmetrical shawl right now. How perfect is that going to be? And then these are tart melts. And I so wish I had a smell-o-vision camera. Because they smell so good. They smell so good. They really do. I mean, every package Mary has sent me has just smelled heavenly anyway. It's just hilarious how good everything seems to smell. And then she sent me a Game of Thrones set. And these smell more like as a set. Like spicy and warm as we're heading into fall. The other set, these smell very clean and refreshing, like mountain air and springs and so it's like one set for downstairs, one set for upstairs, one set for my bedroom, one set for my living room. We'll do Teresa next. So Teresa over at Teresa's Little Tree Treasures sent me a birthday gift too. So we got a notebook, which is actually a good thing because I started using this notebook from Cheryl as my project keeper information notebook, and it's getting full pretty fast. Just saying. That's my birthday card. I got some Post-it notes. And it's so funny. So when she sent these, I literally, like, my thought was, oh, that's cute. I can put those in, like, some stocking hanger thingy things. I will be doing some Christmas amigurumi because I still have the rest of my set where I did Jeffrey the Eggnog. But she sent me a bunch of Christmas song buttons. Unfortunately, in the mail, they got squished. So the battery got bunkered on them. This trying to sing so hard. He's just not having it. Look at Dama pencils. How cute. So cute. And then I'll set this here because I got to open that. So we got, all right, those are the actual stitch markers. So we have beads, and we're heading into sports season where I'm going to spend a lot of time screaming at my TV. So these are actually perfect. And then this is one of those bead melange things. I love that. How pretty is that? This orange smiley face is probably actually my favorite in this bag so far. I don't know why he tickles me so bad. And then, oh, everything got stuck to the ring again. Oh, shoot. So I love sloths and otters, hence the otter things from Sandra. And then Teresa sent me a sloth phone ring. Cute. How cute. And then she sent me some tapestry needles and some jingle bells. We all know what those look like. And then the rest are all these gorgeous stitch markers. How gorgeous are these? I am like blown away, you guys. So I am not a... I make stitch markers, but I'm not like on top of it all the time. And I'm really bad at like getting like completely sidetracked. How pretty is this one? And like just forgetting to make pretty ones. So I end up just using my plastic safety pins once I've like got all my other ones like attached to projects. Like Crochet Queen. It's like when I get stitch markers in the mail, these are actually quite useful. And I love the light bulb pens because they're not too bulky to use on lightweight knitting. So I can use them for crochet and for knitting. And for, I'm really bad about picking my yarn with just about everything I use. But how gorgeous are these? These are all just so pretty. And it's funny, so as I was opening these, I was telling Teresa one of my favorite stones is lapis. And she even sent me a lapis stitch marker. I really love lapis and amethyst. Oop. There we go. How pretty. So I have one more gift. That's why they're dead. It just randomly started singing. Kind of creepy. Anyway. So the last birthday gift I got was from Karen. And first off, how cute is this? It's a little ornament. Some of you might have seen Andrea's little sweater ornament. Karen was very sweet and made all of us little ornaments. So it's going to hang right there for now. And then, so as if you watch Karen over at KB Fibers, you are aware of the fact Karen also spins yarn. And when she pulled this one off the wheel, I was like, I buy it I'll buy it. I really want it. I'll buy it. I was like, I won't harass you for like the next 2 months. I'll just remind you I want to buy it. So she sent it to me for my birthday, which was very, very sweet. But I couldn't wait to use it. Oh, gosh. Y'all can tell it's like my makeup's done been on for like 10 hours and it's all smooshed everywhere. Oh, well. Like I said, I at least try to not look like a train wreck. But the truth is, I'm a train wreck. So, this is what I'm working on with it. And I just could not wait. So it will be a scarf. It's the Drop Canyon shawl. Nope, just called Drop Canyon. And it is by Tyga Hillard Designs. Anyway, I'll leave more information in the description box of my next show and tell video because I will be discussing this in my next show and tell video. But how pretty! Very excited. I am very, 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 very excited. And I am very happy with how this is turning out. I've already had a couple people say, you do realize like I'm going to come and sneak into your house and like run off with that, right? And it's not even done. It's not even halfway done. Well, I guess it's halfway done. But yes, so those are my Crafty birthday gifts. Now I have to find homes for everything. Oh, what a horrible problem to have. It's so awful. What am I going to do? Thank you guys so much. And like I said, there were a number of cards that I got in the mail as well. And thank you guys for the love and the prayers and the well wishes and the hugs and the kisses and everything else. And here's to 36 being at least as good as 35. I mean, so far I've enjoyed getting older. Every year's gotten better. I mean, I got some more aches and complaints and things like that. But overall, life is pretty good. I don't mind getting older so far, so. But thank you, seriously and sincerely. Thank you so much for all the love that went into the gifts and the cards and the well wishes and emails and comments leading up to my birthday. I am going to be doing my birthday 1,000 subscriber vlogiversary extravaganza next week. I think it's next Tuesday is the date that I have circled for it, but I will double check that. I will do a dedicated video. It's probably just going to be like y'all looking at my project when I remind y'all what the date is, but I believe it is going to be next Tuesday. I'd planned on doing it actually tomorrow, but because it took me so long to sit down and film and actually look at my schedule and everything, I'm not going to be able to do it, and we're going to be busy Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I won't be back until Tuesday to be able to film. I'll be back on like Monday afternoon or something like that. So, yep. Anyway, take care. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys real soon.